In this support video, we will be replacing the inner supporting seal found on the right side door. Open the French doors and start by removing the 3 screws located under the door. Remove the top screws. Gently remove the door panel. Remove the screws holding the supported seal. Remove the supporting seal. Unscrew and remove the inner supporting seal. With your new inner supporting seal, align and screw into place. Do not over-tighten the screws. Align properly the outer supporting seal and screw into place. Be careful not to over-tighten. Place back the door panel and screw into place. This completes the replacement.